Hey, let me show you a speaker sound quality test on the Redmi 13. So for sure I'm gonna put this video on the highest possible quality, the high picture quality, there we go. And I'm gonna put this song for a few minutes so we'll be able to hear that sound. Let's start it. By the way, in this smartphone you can only find one speaker at the bottom. Okay, so this is actually the quality of the speaker. In my opinion, it doesn't actually sound good, but you can tell me what you think about the quality of the speaker. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.